Welcome to BookShark, the curriculum that makes homeschooling easy for you. Using a collection of high-quality, carefully chosen, real books by authors from different backgrounds, you and your student can learn together. This fosters a natural love of learning. Your instructor's guide provides discussion questions and vocabulary so that you know what to do to make the most of your day. Your curriculum package provides everything that you need for language arts, history, math, geography, and science. Complete your assignments in whatever order you choose, whether that's reading aloud and science experiments, timeline, or mathing. Do what works for you. Our literature-based approach is gentle and engaging. Kids love BookShark books. Instead of plodding through dry textbooks, your student will devour stories that encourage creativity, critical thinking, and long-term retention. Your student will love science with our read it and then do it approach. 3 days a week, you engage with clearly illustrated science books, and on the 4th day, you put into practice what you've learned with standards-based experiments. Don't worry, these hands-on activities are fully explained and will provide the supplies you need. BookShark's flexible 4-day school week leaves the 5th day open for field trips and co-ops, hobbies and sports, or other learning opportunities. For more independent learning, consider BookShark Virtual, an online platform that provides automated grading, record keeping, and an app that allows you to access your curriculum from anywhere. While students log in to check their assignments and take their assessments, BookShark Virtual is designed for the students to spend their time reading real books instead of on a computer screen. You've been teaching your children since the day they were born. BookShark and BookShark Virtual simply give you the flexible structure you need to homeschool them. If you have any questions, email main@bookshark.com. BookShark advisors are here to help.